Did you know there is a village in Africa where people live with thousands of snakes? Welcome to Snake Village in Ghana. It's home to over 12,000 people who live alongside an estimated 40,000 snakes. The village is located in the Ashanti region of Ghana, and its inhabitants have a unique relationship with these reptiles. The people of Snake Village are known as the Kweko, and they have lived in harmony with snakes for many years. The relationship between the two is so strong that the villagers believe that snakes are their ancestors. As a result, they worship snakes and believe that they can communicate with them. This may sound scary to some of us, but it's actually not uncommon in Africa. In fact, there are other communities across the continent that have similar beliefs and practices. So what's the deal with snakes in Africa? And why do some communities embrace them as part of their culture? To answer this question, we need to go back to the beginning. Snakes have been on our planet for over 100 million years, and they've evolved to adapt to a wide variety of environments. In Africa, there are more than 300 species of snake, including venomous snakes such as cobras and vipers, despite the danger posed by these creatures. Many African communities have learned to live alongside them in harmony. One reason for this is that snakes play an important role in the ecosystem. They help control populations of rodents and other small animals, and they also serve as a food source for other predators. In some cases, snakes have even been shown to have medicinal properties. For example, the venom of the green mamba snake is used to treat certain types of pain in South Africa. But perhaps the most important reason for the coexistence between humans and snakes is the belief that snakes are sacred animals. In many African cultures, snakes are seen as symbols of wisdom, power, and fertility. They are often associated with the spirit world and are believed to be able to communicate with humans who have special powers or knowledge. This belief is particularly strong among the Kweko people of Ghana, who are known for their unique relationship with snakes. According to legend, the Kweko were originally human, but they were transformed into snakes by a powerful sorcerer. As a result, they believe that all snakes are their ancestors and they treat them with great respect. To the Kweko people, snakes are not just animals, they are family members. They believe that snakes can help them heal illnesses, find lost objects, and protect them from harm. In return, the Kweko take care of the snakes and make sure that they are not harmed. This may seem like a strange relationship to outsiders, but it makes sense in the context of the Kweko culture and beliefs. For centuries, the Kweko have lived in harmony with snakes, and this has led to a deep understanding and respect for one another. However, not all African communities have such a peaceful relationship with snakes. In some areas, snakes are seen as dangerous pests that need to be controlled. This is especially true in places where snakes are associated with negative beliefs or fears. For example, in some parts of West Africa, snakes are believed to be a symbol of bad luck and they are killed on sight. However, in other areas, such as Ghana, snakes are revered as sacred animals and are protected by law. As we can see, the relationship between humans and snakes in Africa is complex and varied. While snakes may seem like scary monsters to some, to others they are seen as wise and powerful creatures that should be respected. By learning about different snake cultures and beliefs, we can gain a better understanding of the natural world and the importance of respecting all living things. So next time you come across a snake, remember that it may be more than just a reptile. It could be a sacred animal that is part of a rich cultural tradition. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. And if you know of any other African communities with unique relationships to animals, please share their stories in the comments below. Thank you for watching.